Hello students, we take another example on the false position method. Okay, so see the example. We have example, find the real roots of the equation x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 lies between 1 and 3 by the regular fallacy method. In bracket we have perform 4 iteration. We have to find only 4 iteration. After a 4 iteration we stop the process and we get the answer. Okay, so see here we have given f of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 1 and first trivial point x naught is equal to 1, x1 is equal to 3. So we find first f of x naught, and f of x naught is equal to, that means we find the f of 1. F of 1 is equal to, here in f of x we put x is equal to x naught be the 1, so 1 square minus 2 into 2 minus 1, so 1 minus 4 minus 1, so we get 1. So here x x be the 1, so we put here, so 2 into 1 be the 2, so we get 1 minus 2 minus 1, which is the minus 2, because plus 1 minus 1 cancel, so we get f of x naught is equal to minus 2, which is less than 0. And next we find the f of x1. F of x1 be the f of 3, here value be the 3, so f of x1 f of 3 which is equal to, तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे, ह्या ज्या स्टेप्स आहे ह्या मी नंतर केल्या त्या पण तुम्ही आधीच नोटबुकमध्ये काय करायच्या आहे, लिहायच्या आहेत, कारण जेवढ्या स्टेप्स तेवढेच तुम्हाला काय मिळणार आहे, मार्क्स मिळणार आहे. सो शॉर्टकट लिहायचं नाही. मी जरी इथे शॉर्टकट लिहिले तर तुम्ही शॉर्टकट लिहायचं नाही, पूर्ण व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची आणि मग आन्सर लिहायचं आहे. ओके, एफ ऑफ x1 इज इक्वल टू f of 3 and f of 3 is equal to 3 square minus 2 into 3 minus 1, which is equal to 9 minus 6 minus 1, which is 9 minus 7, which is equal to 2, and f of x1 is greater than 0 because which is positive, so which is greater than, this rough work we take in a bracket. Okay, so f of x naught is less than 0, f of x1 is greater than 0, criteria be the fulfilled. So in the first iteration we take x naught is equal to 1, x1 is equal to 3, and we find the f of x naught, f of x1. So we take x2 is equal to x naught f of x1 minus x1 f of x naught divided by f of x1 minus f of x. Put all the values and we get x2 is equal to 2. Again for a new search interval we find the f of 2, f of 2, that means f of x2. Okay, f of x2 is equal to f of 2, and here in x we put, in f of x we put x is equal to 2, so we get 2 square minus 2 into 2 be the 4 minus 1, so which is 4 minus 4 minus 1, which is equal to 4, 4 cancel, so we get minus 1, and minus 1 is, this is negative, so which is less than 0. So see, in a first iteration we take x naught is equal to 1 and x1 is equal to 3. We find the x2 point. X2 point with the we have a minus 1 point, 2 point, not minus 1. We have a x2 is equal to 2 point. Okay, so f of x2 be the less than 0, so new search interval be the this. जर f of x2 greater than 0 असेल तर सर्च इंटरवल काय येणार आहे, x naught to x2 येणार आहे, आणि जर f of x2 लेस दॅन 0 असेल तर x2 to x1 येणार आहे. इथे काय येतो आहे, लेस दॅन 0, तो वी therefore we have search interval with the x2 x1. Okay, so in a second interval we take x naught be the 2 and x1 be the 3. Okay, so we write here x naught is equal to 2 and x1 is equal to 3. f of x naught we already find f of 2. f of 2 ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे, minus 1, which is equal to minus 1, and f of x1 be the f of 3, and which is f of 3 be the, we find f of 3, that means f of x1 be the 2. So put these values in the formula, we get again x2 is equal to 2.3333. For a new search interval we find again value of the f of x2, here x2 be the 2.333. Okay, so we put these values, find, we get the negative value, again this is less than 0, f of x2 is less than 0, so here x2 is equal to value with a 2.3333. therefore our new search interval here less than 0, so new search interval with x2 to x1. that means we take here x0 is equal to 2.3333 and x1 is equal to 3. okay, we do not see here. In a third iteration we take x2 is equal to, x2 means your x0 which is 2.3333 and x1 be the 3, so we take here x1 be the 3, and again we find the same procedure, we find the x2 and next for a new search interval we find f of 2.4 and which is minus 0.04. so see, in a third iteration x0 be the 2.3333 and x1 be the 3, here we get x2 is equal to x2 point be the 2.4 and f of x2 is again less than 0, so new search interval be this. okay, so we take here x0 be the, in a fourth iteration we take x0 be the 2.4 and x1 be the 3, so again we take x0 into f of x1 minus x1 into f of x0 divide by f of x1 minus f of x0, again we find the value of the x2 which is 2.4117. we have to only perform the fourth iteration, so we do not find the f of x2 here, only we find the x2. f of x2 आपण कशासाठी फाइंड करतो की न्यू सर्च इंटरवल कुठला असणार आहे ते आपल्याला कशावरनं कळतं, f of x2 वरनं कळतं. बट हियर वी हॅव टू फाइंड ओनली 4 इटरेशन, सो इन अ फोर्थ इटरेशन वी ओनली फाइंड द x2. ओके, सो आवर रूट इज 2.4117, जी x2 ची व्हॅल्यू असणार आहे तेच तुमचं काय असणार आहे, रूट असणार आहे. ओके, आफ्टर ए फोर्थ इटरेशन वी हैव द रूट 2.4117 which is the root of the given equation. Thank you.